Stop. Alright, come take them by the umbrella. Papa. Alright guys, sit there. I want to try the light, but that boy give me too much trouble, man. Papa, you see the basket in the pantry? The basket in the pantry up there, son? I have some light tonight. Bring it come. That grey basket up there, son. Guys, I can't talk about this enough. If you ever get this thermal cell, no smoke, no nothing. Papa, leave the pit now. There's a light coming from out of it. You don't want to Stop, leave the baby alone now, okay, Papa? Papa, there's something on the wall. There's like a bug on the wall right there. There's a door open. You see no bug? Oh, yes, there's a bug. Yeah. Gabby, tell Aliana so she come turn off this to me, please. You know, say two of them are same DNA, Aliana and Papa, don't? They love ramp. Tell her to come turn it off. This is so good, guys. If you ever have mosquito problem, Papa, leave the baby alone now. We live near a forest, so not really a forest, but you see right here, all bushes. So it's a lot of mosquitoes, especially when it's so warm. And I have a spray that we use in the yard, but I decided to get this today, and look what it turned out. There's not even a mosquito you don't feel outside. It's so amazing. What's the color scheme? I'm gonna do blue. But the thing about it is I really don't have no color scheme this year because I couldn't find the color blue that I wanted. So I have to buy it online. But as time goes by, you guys will see when we have something outside in the year. Summertime now. So last year we had a Hawaiian party. We had a Hawaiian party here. Everybody was dressed in a Hawaiian theme. So everything was in Hawaiian. So I need to get a blue for that, a blue rug out here, but the cushions are red, so red and blue go together. So you'll see it, guys. It will look all right tomorrow. Trust me, just put some stuff together because I couldn't find the color. I found this neutral gray thing, but me like when time my rug go on my deck, it has a statement, so I never go waste the money buy it, and then I don't want it. Man, I be a trouble between Papa and Ali. I be a talking and give me. The boy throw the something out I say no. In throw it out I say. I know the pit no go take out the something I ask him for. Papa! You know, remember me tell us we're going to a basket more and try the light. Then mama having this so. Jesus have mercy. It's from extreme to missing. And the something I will buy, them scatter all over here so nobody no clean them up, no nothing. But I promise you I won't be cleaning them up because I'll be going to my bed. So this is what it looks like, guys. It comes in a package like this. It is super good. If you ever see it, buy it, guys. You won't have no mosquito problem. You don't have to get nothing spray. You don't smell nothing. So if it's gonna irritate your sinuses.
Yes, mommy. Let mommy do it.
I don't know how to turn it. I don't know how to turn it off. If I knew, I wouldn't be asking her. Papa. Alright, carry go here, Ali, because I'm really Pitney. What's your name again? Gabby? you have too much Pitney, man. Hey.
You know my name?
Tell her to turn it off. Might it burn you? It's Eden. I don't know your name. You have too much Pitney. You know when you have too much Pitney, you call them John, Paul, Peter, James. Or them basket them. One of them, you know. I'm going to hold up a decor. Just take down one now till the next one. This drop out tight. But I don't know what this drop out is, so I'm going to leave it over here, so with them piece of junk here with the on this table here. Because I don't know, like Gabby was painting. Look at Gabby painting, guys. Look at Gabby painting. She does a good job for an 8-year-old. She love artwork. Look at this, guys. She loves to paint. Look. I see you were painting over here, girl. See, you are painting. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not laugh with Papa and I share him. I'm not laugh with Papa. I don't know what this one, but it drop out of the something. I'll figure it out tomorrow. Alright, look, boy, come. You know, come help me. Come on, brother, I know.